Colorland dogs.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will draw our bathroom buddies. The sink is like a magical water station in the bathroom. Its job is to provide a splash of water for your hands, making sure they're clean and sparkling. When you turn the faucet, it's like opening the door to a tiny waterfall of cleanliness. The bathroom is like a magical space just for us. It's where you go to wash away the day's adventures. Next, we draw a towel. Towels are like magical helpers in the bathroom. Their main job is to dry you off after washing your hands or taking a bath. Then, we draw a bathtub. A bathtub is like a special container in the bathroom that holds water for a fun. Picture it as your own mini pool, where you can play with toys, make bubbles, and get squeaky clean. The bathtub's superpower is making you feel refreshed and ready for more learning and play. Let's color. Orange. Orange color for the mirror. Imagine the mirror as a magical friend wearing a bright orange cape. When you look into it, it's like a happy burst of sunshine, making everything around it feel extra fun. Blue. Blue color for the sink. Let's imagine the sink is underwater friend, making every wash a mini aquatic adventure. Red. Red color for under the sink. Green. Green color for the cupboard. In the bathroom, there's a special place called the cupboard. It's like a magical storage friend that keeps all your bathroom treasures tucked away. Imagine it as a secret hideout for towels, soap, shampoo, and toothpaste. So, when you open the cupboard, it's like discovering a treasure chest full of things. Yellow. Yellow for under the cupboard. Picture the bathtub wearing a vibrant yellow coat. It's like a burst of sunshine. When you fill it with water, it feels like taking a bath in a pool of cheerful sunbeams. Orange. Orange color for towel. Like superhero capes, ready to dry and cuddle you. Purple. We color the last part with purple color. See you in the next video.